Have you ever wondered what would happen if the sun threw a tantrum? Well, it's not a hypothetical scenario. The sun, our nearest star, is capable of producing some of the most spectacular and powerful phenomena in our solar system. Solar flares and solar storms. Solar flares are sudden outbursts of energy, appearing as flashes of increased brightness, usually observed near the sun's surface. Picture an explosion that releases the equivalent energy of millions of 100 megaton hydrogen bombs in just a fraction of a second. On the other hand, solar storms, also known as geomagnetic storms, are temporary disturbances of the Earth's magnetosphere caused by a disturbance in space weather. Think of it as the sun throwing a tantrum and shaking our planet's protective magnetic field. Just as storms on Earth can disrupt our lives, solar storms can disrupt our planet on a much larger scale. Solar flares and solar storms, two celestial phenomena, are more connected than you might think. Let's dive into the cosmic dance that they perform. Solar flares often go hand in hand with something called coronal mass ejections, or CMEs. These are essentially large outbursts of plasma and magnetic field that are expelled from the sun's corona, its outermost layer. Now, these CMEs can kickstart solar storms when they travel the 93 million miles between the sun and Earth. Picture it like a cosmic snowball effect, with one event triggering another. It's important to note that not all CMEs strike Earth. In fact, most don't. But when they do, they can instigate geomagnetic storms, creating a ripple effect in our planet's magnetic field. Solar flares and storms, though originating millions of miles away, can have a profound effect on our planet. A reminder of how interconnected we truly are with the rest of our universe. So what happens when a solar storm hits Earth? Solar storms can have quite the impact on our planet. One of the most immediate effects is on our technology. Satellite communications can be disrupted, leading to outages in services we depend on daily, like GPS and satellite TV. More worryingly, these storms can also cause power grid failures. This has happened before. In the mid-19th century, a massive solar storm known as the Carrington event caused widespread power outages. But it's not all doom and gloom. Solar storms also create something truly beautiful: auroras. These natural light shows in the sky are the result of solar particles colliding with Earth's magnetic field. While these storms can't harm us directly on the surface of the Earth, they can pose a real threat to astronauts in space, where they're exposed to intense radiation. Next time you gaze up at the sun, remember the immense power it holds and its potential to send a storm our way.